Hi everybody, my name is Dr. Shweta Ujaoney and I'm a proud alumni of VCU School of Dentistry. Today I'm going to read you a book and it's called A Caterpillar at the Dentist. It's written by me and it's illustrated by a very talented Kelly O'Neill. Let's get started. One sunny morning, Ira was getting ready for her day. "Don't forget, Ira," said Mommy. "You have a dentist appointment today. You have a cavity that needs a filling." "Mommy," said Ira, "I'm scared. My friends at school say awful things about getting a filling and I don't want to get one." Mommy said, "Dr. Yu is very friendly. She will explain everything to you before she starts." Ira was not convinced, but she brushed her teeth and left with Mommy for the dentist office. In the waiting room, the receptionist greeted them with a smile. While Mommy filled out some forms, Ira found a seat in the corner with a caterpillar stuffed animal sitting on it. Ira clutched the caterpillar and tried not to worry about the dentist. "Hello," came a voice. Ira looked right and left, but saw nobody except the stuffed caterpillar. Her mother was still filling out paperwork at the desk. "Hello," Ira said softly. Ira looked down at her lap. The stuffed caterpillar smiled right at her. "Hi," he said. "I'm Zack. How are you today?" A little scared, Ira dropped the caterpillar on the seat beside her. She couldn't believe her ears. A caterpillar was talking to her in Dr. Yu's waiting room. Ira wasn't sure if she should respond. Still, she was worried and needed a friend. "I'm nervous about my dentist appointment," said Ira. "I don't know what's going to happen." "Are you here for a filling?" Zack." "Yes," said Ira, "but I don't know what that means." Zack was quick to reply. "Don't worry, Ira. Dr. Yu gave me a filling once and it's an easy peasy procedure." "Why would a caterpillar need to come to a dentist?" Ira asked. "Oh," Zack replied, "I've been eating a lot of food lately. If I eat enough, I can grow big and turn into a beautiful butterfly. But sometimes I forget to brush my teeth. A couple of weeks ago, I got a cavity, so I had to get a filling. You probably have a cavity too, Ira." Ira was worried when she didn't understand. "What's a cavity? How do you know if your tooth has a cavity?" "I can show you," said Zack. Zack wiggled his tail like he was dancing. When Ira blinked, everything changed. Suddenly, they were standing in Dr. Yu's exam room. "What?" Ira said. "How did we get back here?" "Don't worry," said Zack. "Since it's your first filling, I am allowed to show you around." "First," said Zack, "Dr. Yu inspects your teeth. Then an assistant will come and take pictures of your teeth called radiographs. In my radiograph, Dr. Yu saw a small black spot on the tooth. It was a cavity. A cavity is a small hole in your teeth. If you don't get a filling, the cavity gets bigger as it fills with lots of tiny crawling germs. Dr. Yu uses Oscar the owl to help her see the whole cavity closely. That's the loops. Loops are fancy goggles the doctor uses to see small things bigger and better in dark places like a mouth." Ira was quick to ask, "How did you get a cavity, Zack?" "Ooh, when we eat food, it sticks to our teeth. If we don't brush our teeth twice a day to get rid of that extra food, then the germs come out to eat it. While they're eating, they damage our teeth and create cavities. When a cavity gets big, the tooth starts to hurt. Ira was starting to understand cavities better. She asked, "What does Dr. Yu do to take those germs away? I don't want a toothache." Dr. Yu uses Eli the elephant a power wash to clean the tooth first, Zack explained. Eli the elephant is just like a power wash used to clean the cores. It uses lots of water to flush the germs away. It tickles your mouth and makes a funny sound. Oh, I have the power wash. The assistant uses Eli's sister Emma the elephant to suck out the germy water and keep your mouth dry. Emma drinks all the water. Aha! That's the suction. And that's the picture. When does she start the filling? Ira asked. She wasn't sure if she wanted to hear the answer. Dr. Yu cleans the tooth with a blue soap and water, then washes away any leftover germs. It's important to keep your mouth dry, so Dr. Yu will put tiny rolled up cotton towels in your mouth. They feel weird, but they are doing an important job. What happens next? Asked Ira. Zack smiled and helped Ira relax. She uses a small brush to put glue on her teeth. Then she dries the glue with Finn the firefly. Finn the firefly? It's like a tooth dryer that makes blue light. Zap! Finn dries the glue like magic. There you go. Ira felt better now that she understood what a cavity was and was starting to see how Dr. Yu would fix it. "Does the glue fill the hole?" she asked. "No," said Zack. "Play-Doh does." "Play-Doh?" Ira repeated. She thought Zack might be playing a trick on her. Zack explained. "Dr. Yu uses a white Play-Doh to fill the hole in your tooth so germs don't come back again. The Play-Doh closes the doors so the germs don't come back." "That's why it's called a filling," Ira exclaimed. "Exactly," said Zack. Then the blue light dries the Play-Doh to make it strong. Next, Dr. Yu uses Eli the elephant's power wash to polish the tooth and make it look bright and shiny. "This is really easy," Ira shouted. Ira didn't feel anxious anymore. She was excited to get her cavity filled so the germs wouldn't bother her. That's the picture of the Play-Doh being put on the tooth. "Wait a second," said Ira. "My friend Ishani mentioned something about laughing gas. Do you know anything about laughing gas?" Zack smiled and pulled out a red-nosed toy with one of the many hands. "During my last filling, Dr. Yu used this red nose on me. It smelled like cherries. Then she turned on the laughing gas. It flowed through the red nose, and I felt relaxed and floaty. The nose makes you feel calm during the filling. There are other scents and colors too. I have a sample. That's my pink nose. Smells great." "But wait," Ira said. "I have another important question. Why does my friend Aiden say that the dentist uses a shot to give us medicine?" "Did the dentist do that to you? Will Dr. Yu do that to me?" Zack said. "I've asked the same question in my last appointment. Do you know what Dr. Yu said?" "What?" "She introduced me to Bonnie the bumblebee. When a cavity is deep and hurts a lot, Bonnie the bumblebee comes out to rescue. She comes out quietly and kisses the tooth and then flies away. Her kiss is like a little pinch, but as soon as you feel it, it's gone. And the tooth pain goes away." Feeling relieved, Ira said, "Thank you, Zack, for helping me understand my visit. I feel a lot better now." Aha! Before long, Ira heard her name being called. Holding Mommy's hand, she went into the exam room for her appointment with Dr. Yu. When Ira sat down in the big patient chair, she realized she recognized some of the things around her. "There's Oscar the owl," she said, "and Emma, and Eli, and Finn the firefly, and even Bonnie the bumblebee." Mommy and Dr. Yu laughed a lot, and Ira joined in. She wasn't scared at all. After the filling was done, Ira felt very silly from the laughing gas, but Dr. Yu said that it would go away soon. Besides, Ira was holding her funny new pink toy nose. Dr. Yu gave her a bag. Inside, Ira found a toy, a new toothbrush, toothpaste, and floss. "Ira," said Dr. Yu, "don't forget to come back for your regular checkups and cleanings." "I sure will," said Ira excitedly. "I don't want any cavities." And this is the end of the book. Thank you so much, guys. Please go and grab the book, A Caterpillar at the Dentist. Don't forget to go to the dentist for your regular cleanings and checkups. Have a great day. Bye-bye.